Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have something to show you. I can hardly wait to show you. I'm so excited. I need to do these. This is from Craft Art Club. When I looked at their site to place an order, I was like, okay, yep. Okay, all right. So we'll start with this one first. It's just a little guy, but he's cute. He's like a little bubble round guy. He's a little tiger. He's a 15 by 15. He's just a little bitty guy, but I thought he would be super cute. He's going to be super cute, right? I like him. So I don't know what the colors are. Let's see. Green, orange. I don't know. Let's see. It's all rhinestones. Check it out. Everything in this order, everything is special drills. So, yay. All right. What colors do we have? Which way do we go? Let's go this way. All right. So we have an amber color. Now we're going to be blurry. Yeah, of course we're going to be blurry. Come on, hocus pocus. There we go. Amber. That's black. That's just resin drills. Black. Some red. Another shade of red. Some light gold. Some goldy yellow. Oh, look. And then here we start with the bigger ones. Look. Small, medium, large. Then we have green and another green. And here's the sized ones. Small, medium, and large. And then we have clear, small, medium, and large. There we have it. He's gonna be cute, isn't he? Super cute. Love it. Look. Ooh, look at there. They're ready to put back. Bam. You know, after a while, you get pretty good at that. Sometimes I struggle. Okay, here comes the excitement. Are you ready? Here comes the sun. Oh my gosh, look at it. It says happy spring. It's a little gnome. And it's, oh my goodness, so cute. Look, ladybugs, bows, flowers, more ladybugs, daisies in a vase pot thing. And there's stuff all the way around. Oh, tell me that's not adorable. I dare you. Tell me that's not adorable. Right? I know you can't. I like the little plaid stuff down here too. That's fun. Oh, all right. A lot of special drills. Special drills and like these little tulips and okay, just open them. Just open. How many colors are there? There are 16 different colors and shapes and stuff. I'm just gonna call it stuff from now on. How's that sound? Clear rhinestones, yellow, black, not rhinestone, green, red. Of course we need a lot of red. Look at all that red. All right, a very light pale yellow, a light blue, a gold. Ooh, look at those. Here comes the fun. Doo. Look at those. Here's my claws. Those must make like flowers. They must. Then we have some larger black faceted. Oh, we got shards. We got big shards and little shards. Oh, these are large shards and these are smaller shards. That's cool. Where are they going to go? I have no idea. That's fun. Oh, they're going here in the daisies. Oh my gosh, I love this painting. Then we have these iridescent green ones. Purple. See all the purple in there? Purple. And then we have some light green. I love these. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I need to do some of these. I need to. If you think that one was fun, what do you think about this one? What do you think about this one? He's special drill too. So we went from ladybugs and flowers to bees. Now we have bees, right? I love it. Okay, so it took me a minute to figure this out. I'm like, what in the world? What is this? The gnome is a bee. You guys, it is a bee. And I think this one is a girl because look, this is like bows. So like these would be like pigtails and these are tied on, the bows are tied on her pigtails. And those are her bee wings. She's got bee wings. Do these little bees get drilled? No, not at all. Nope, they don't. But how cute. And then look, the honey hive pot is down here with the little, thing that you get the honey out with. I'm sure it has a name. Somebody will tell me. I'm sure there's a name for that thing. That thing, right? I love every single one of these. They are so stinking adorable, right? And it says, welcome. He's hanging out at the fence. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Oh, hang on. I got a whole bag of something in here. It didn't come out. I got a whole bag of these. Look at that. Whole bag of those. That is going to be flower, 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 right? Boom, flower. Oh, we got some loosey-gooseys here. We got a gold and a black. What else we got? We have some clear. What color is this? Smoke. Smoke on the water. Gold, gold, yellow, yellow, green, brownie, orange, orange, and then we have those centers of the flowers. So these are really only like the only special drills, and those are going to all be for the flowers. Centers and petals. I love it. I love it. All right. Okay. There we go. Folded and ready to go. I got one more. All right. Oh, and here's the toolkit. Are you ready? Woo, doo, 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 doo. There's the toolkit. Pretty exciting, huh? All right. So, in the theme of bees, let's just go with one more. How's that? Love, 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 love that plaid truck. Love, love, love. Don't worry. Be happy, right? Oh, I can't stand it. I can't stand it. It's too cute. So this little guy, he's just hanging out in the back of his pickup truck with his hive and his honey. And here's another hive. This is like a house hive, right? For people who actually like, you know, harvest bees, harvest honey, raise bees, whatever. And then here's another like natural hive. And there's that little thing again. Tell me what that thing is. And this one has sunflowers. Look at the honey just dripping honey. And I love the background for this because the whole background is like a honeycomb with all the hexagons. It's so stinking cute. I can't stand it. Can't stand it. I know. I apologize for silliness, but what do we have there? Would you like some green something or other? I don't know what it is. I don't know. Dye. It's probably dye or paint. Okay, here's our colors. I'm sure there's not going to be a ton of surprises here. All right, let's do this one. You want to be that way? We'll be that way. All right. Orange, yellow, orangey brown, golden yellow, lighter orangey brown. All right, and then the rest of them, we have green, clear, very, very light yellowy green, yellow, blue. There's that smoke color again, some more black, and then we have some yellow half pearls. We have some gold halves, and then we have, oh, these are cute little pearl, little teardrops. Oh, how cute. Okay, which one would you do first? Which one should I do first? Tell me what you think. What should I do first? I love the bees and the honey. Love that. This one seems simpler, like easier, quicker, whatever. And it's a girl. It's a girl. But then there's this one with the ladybugs and the hello spring and choices, decisions. What would you do? Tell me. What would you do? Let me know. Okay? Thanks for watching. I know all my videos are going to be goofy because I'm super tired lately and that's when I get goofy. So if you don't like goofy, I apologize. Come back in July sometime. I'll be more rested. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I will check you all out later. And you can check my videos out later. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.